Hello students, welcome to Shield IAS. My name is Bipan and welcome to the series of world map discussion. In last two video, we have discussed some important continent like North America and Africa continent. In both the continent, we have discussed some important mountains, rivers, important countries and important lakes. And also we have seen how UPSC has asked the question in previous prelims question. So in today's video, we will be understanding the another important continent, that is South America. So first let's draw a map of South America. So South America, it is long shaped, it is long triangular shape continent, and the northern boundary of South America stretches from 12° north latitude to 55° south latitude, and this North America, which consists of 13 countries, and the largest country in North America, which is located in northeast of South America, that is Brazil. And northwest we have another country called Colombia. East of Colombia we have Venezuela. East of Venezuela we have Guyana. East of Guyana we have Suriname. And east of Suriname we have another small country, that is French Guiana. In south of Colombia there is another country called Peru. South of Peru we have another country called, this is Ecuador. And south of Ecuador we have Peru. And in eastern part of continent are narrow striped countries. This is called Chile. And eastern part of continent, the second largest country, that is Argentina. And there is small country here, it is called Uruguay. And two landlocked country, one is Paraguay and another country is called Bolivia. So these are the 13 important countries of South America. And this South America, which passes two latitude, one is equator and another is Tropic of Capricorn. So equator passes through three countries. The mnemonics is BCE, that is Brazil, Colombia and equator, and Tropic of Capricorn passes through The mnemonics BPAC, that is Brazil, Paraguay, Argentina and Chile. So Tropic of Capricorn and equator passes through the South America. And the South America, it is fourth largest continent after Asia, Africa and North America. The South America, which lies west of prime meridian, and this South America, it is more toward the east, as compared to North America, and therefore they are very closer to Africa and Europe. And this South America has two important islands. One is Galapagos, which is located near the equator. This is called Galapagos Island. And another important island which is also located in the southern Chile, just near the southern Chile. The name of island is Juan Fernandez Island. Both are located in the Pacific Ocean. Apart from these, another important island which is located in the Southern Ocean, that is Terra del Fuego, and one more island which is located just South Atlantic, that is Falkland. Apart from these, the largest mountain of South America, that is longest mountain, that is Andes Mountain, and three countries that is known as Southern Cone. So these three countries are Argentina, second is Chile and Uruguay. So these three are known as Southern Cone. Why these are Southern Cone? Because the region Argentina, Uruguay and Chile, they constitute a region and it looks like a cone shape. So therefore this region is known as Southern Cone. And apart from these, two landlocked countries, one is Bolivia and another is Paraguay. So these are some important information of South America. Apart from these, let's discuss some important desert. The first desert is Patagonia. This Patagonia desert, it is located in Argentina. The second desert is La Guajira, It is located northwest of Colombia, and it also covers some parts of Venezuela. So it is located both Colombia and Venezuela. The third important desert is Sechura. The Sechura desert, it is located in the Chile. So the location is Chile. Sorry, the Sochira Island is not Chile. It is located in the northwest of South America continent. And Atacama Desert. So it is located northwest of South America. And the next important desert is Atacama Desert. Atacama Desert, it is the driest place on the earth, which is located in Chile, and it is the driest place on earth. And the last and most important desert is Monte Desert. This Monte Desert, it's located just north of Patagonia Desert, which is located in Argentina. So in this video we have discussed some important information of South America, and also we have seen some major desert of South America. In next video we will be understanding some important rivers and some more important mountains and some important lakes of South America. Till then, take care. Thank you so much.